What is going on, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be working up with our mobile responsiveness. Okay, what we want to do is that we want to make sure that a website looks good on mobile devices, and also on side by side we'll also work with the pop-up stuff. So this pop-up should only open on mobile devices, sorry, the computer devices, and this pop-up should not be open on mobile devices, else the guy should be taken to the next page, or the hire me page. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what I have to do, I have to just hit edit with Elementor. Okay, and here I want to edit my website completely. Okay, so we want to make sure that a website looks good on mobile devices. Okay, and what I will do, I will just come here, I'll just click this, and I'm gonna hit the tablet. So I'm gonna view the tablet mode. So this is how my website is gonna look on tablet. I have this photo right here, I have my name, I have about me, and everything looks cool on tablet. Okay, yes, so we want to work with this on tablet mode. We want this to be good a bit. Okay, so our name looks good, our tagline looks good, our buttons are also looking good, but yes, this is also looking good. Or we will just change it and we will give some more spacing right here. Okay, and what I can do looks good, and follow me on. We want to change some things here. So for this, what I want to do, I have to just select tablet from here, and then I have to just click here again. Okay, and now what I have to do, I just basically want to come here and I want to make some changes right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click this guy right here, and these settings are gonna appear. Okay, so you can see that the tablet mode has been selected from here. I want to go to the style. Okay, and here I can manage the size, I can manage the padding, I can also manage the spacing. So I am going to manage some spacing a bit. I want to increase the spacing right here, and on tablet mode I think this much spacing looks good. Okay, and on computer it is this much, on tablet it is this much. Okay, so you can also control the padding, you can also control the size if you want to, but I think the size looks cool. Let's come here, and let's just click this guy right here. Okay, and let's come here to style, to advance, column. Okay, so here I want to work with the column right here. So you basically don't have to just click this, but you have to come here and you have to make sure that you are in the column section. You have to first edit this column, and we want to increase the size of this column. Okay, so I'll just increase it a bit. Okay, this looks cool. This looks cool. Yes. Okay, this is cool right now. So what I want to do right now, I want to go down, and where it says this guy right here, I want to click this. I want to go to style. I want to change the size on tablet mode, so you can see that the tablet is selected. I want to come here, I want it to be this much. Cool. Okay, so this is need a professional developer. I also want to decrease the size of the button right here, because this is looking very much bigger with if you relate it to this. So I'm just gonna decrease the size a bit. So size looks good here. I want to decrease the line height. Okay, the line height should be more. Okay, now this is looking cool. Now you can see that we are totally done with this of our button or this tagline and everything looks cool. Okay, so let's come here, and let's come here to the mobile mode, and let's see how our website looks on mobile device. So on mobile device, you can see that we need to do a lot of customizations. Okay, so we first need to give some spacing right here, because this is going really very above. It will touch the logo right here, so I want to give some spacing to here. I'll just give the spacing to this whole column. So let's come here, let's select this, okay, and let's go to the advanced section. And here we want to give some padding to the top. So just make sure that you uncheck the values and then give the padding. So I want to give some more padding. Okay, this looks cool. I want to also change the name. I want to come here to style, and for mobile device I want to change the name to be this much. Okay, and this is looking cool. I want to just change it slightly a bit so that it looks normal. Okay, and now here I just don't want to show both of the buttons right here because it will not look good. So I'll just show only single button right here. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna click this column, I'm just gonna hit edit column. Okay, and I want to go to the advanced, and here in the responsive tab I just want to come here and I want to hit okay, I want to just select this one. Okay, and I want to disable this. I want to disable this on mobile device. So I'm going to come here to advanced. This column is not working, so I just want to disable this button right here. Let's go to responsive, and we want to hide this on mobile. Okay, so you can see that if I just click this, this is hidden right now. I want to come here to hire me button, and this hire me button should be aligned to center on mobile devices. Let's click this right now, and you can see that this is how it is looking. Okay, we have our menu, we have our this guy right here, and we have our name, and this logo is doing a problem. We'll do that as well. We'll do change it. Okay, we go down, and then we have this as well. So this is looking not good. Okay, I'll show you how can you change it. Okay, and then we have this. This is looking cool. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. Okay, so we have to do some customization more. Okay, let's come here, let's go down, and here we have this thing. So we want to do some changes right here. So for mobile, what we want to do is that we cannot change it. Basically, we have to do a lot of coding, and there is a trick to do that for mobile devices. For on mobile, this whole thing should be fully white, and this should be fully blue, and this should be white. Okay, so I want to work with this. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, and let's go to style. Let's come here, and you can see that there is no option for mobile, that we cannot manage this on mobile, that we cannot change this type, we cannot change the location on mobile devices. So there's no tab. So what we are going to do, we're going to just go to the desktop version. Okay, and we want to just do one thing, and that is to duplicate this section. So you can see that we have two sections right here. So we want to create one section for our desktop and tablet, and the other section will be only for mobile devices. Okay, so for mobile, what we want to do is we want to just come here. Okay, and we want to change the background. We just want to clear it. Okay, sorry. I want to come here to this section right here. I want to edit this section. Okay, so I want to clear this basically. Just come here to style, and I want this to be classic. Okay, and let's come here and let's clear everything. Okay, and so okay, we have 3 about me sections coming right here. If I just click this, you can see here are 3. So I just want to come here, I want to delete one more right here. Okay, this might be so confusing to you right now, but you will understand what I am talking about. So I just cleared the background from here, and now let's see how this is gonna look on mobile device. So I will just come here. Okay, I'll just come here to mobile. Okay, and you can see that on mobile we will show this only, we will hide this. Okay, and on computer we will hide this only, and we will show that. So how we're gonna do this, let's come here, let's select the desktop window. Okay, and let's come here and let's select this section. Okay, so we're gonna edit this section. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here to advanced. I want to go to responsive, and this is going to be hidden on desktop, and tablet. Okay, and this is going to be hidden on the mobile one. Okay, so you can see that this section will be hidden on mobile and this section will be hidden on desktop and that. So if I just open up right here, you can see if I just come here and I open up the tablet mode and then I click this, then you can see I want to go to the mobile version right here. Let's click this. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down. And you can see that that section, that mobile one, has been hidden. Okay, so this is being hidden and this is coming right here because we have hidden that on the mobile. Okay, so I want to come here. I just want to come here to see if we have, if that is working as well. So let's come here to responsive. So this will be hidden on desktop and this will be hidden on tablet mode as well. So if I just open up the tablet mode and then I click this, you can see that this is not hiding it, but it will basically hide on tablet. So let's save it. Let's come here and let's view our page. Okay, you can see that this is normally working here, and this section that we have added for mobile is will only be available, will only work on mobile device. So if I just small my screen, you can see that this is changing, and if the mobile version appears, this section is automatically disabled and this is basically coming. So this is the width that is used for mobile devices. Okay, so this is how you can work on mobile devices, and if this increases, you can see that this white version is coming, this line version, and once it goes right, you can see this is changed. So this is how it works. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to come down and let's go to the mobile section because we are working on mobile right now. Okay, mobile right now, let's go down, and here we have the follow me on. So I want to decrease the size on follow me on, so this much. I want to increase this width. I want to come here and manage this right now. So I want to go to the style, I want to go to the size, and I want to decrease the size a bit. Okay, I want to go to the padding and I want to decrease the padding. Let's just increase the padding. Okay, the spacing, this much spacing is fine. Okay, so you can see how this is looking. We can also decrease the size a bit. Okay, now this looks cool. Okay, so I also want to decrease some spacing right here. So I want to come here to advance. Basically, I want to edit this whole section. So I want to come here to advance and okay, let's come here to mobile right now and let's decrease some padding. So from top, I want it to be 15 pixels, and okay, I want to uncheck this. And for bottom, I want to increase it, and this much only, 22 pixel, 20 pixel from bottom. Okay, this looks cool. Now I want to go down and I want to edit this guy right here. So I want to go to style, I want to go to size, and I want to select it this much. So I think we need to increase it a bit, this much. Need a professional developer. Okay, I think, yeah, this looks cool because we need the font to be a little bit bigger. So we also want to go and increase the line height. Yes, this looks cool. The letter spacing should be normal. Need a professional developer. Letter spacing should be below this. Okay, cool. Now you can see that this is used for mobile devices. Okay, now if I just save my this thing and I want to open this up, this website on a mobile device, you're gonna see how this is gonna look. Okay, so I'm just smalling it up, and this is my mobile device. Okay, I go down, and this is my thing, this is my name, this is my hire me. So if I just open it up, you can see that this is the plug, this is coming, but I don't want the viewers to see the pop-up, so I'll just disable this pop-up. I'll show you how can I disable pop-up on mobile devices later on. Okay, then we have the about me section, we have our HTML, CSS, and what I can do. Follow me on is looking good, need a professional developer, and hire me. So everything looks amazing right here. You can see that this is how this plugin works. You can also do the mobile optimization. That is why I really love this plugin. If you go with any of the other theme, you are not gonna get this functionality. That is why I always recommend my students to go with this Ocean WP theme. Okay, and this plugin is doing the job, not this theme. You can use this plugin to any of the theme. Okay, basically this plugin is doing the job. Okay, so this plugin is called Elementor. There's also a pro version. I'll also show you later on that why you should shift to pro version. You can buy that pro version using my affiliate link. Okay, so later on I'll show you, not now. Okay, you can see everything is totally done. Now I want to just hit save, and now you can see that we're totally done with our this page customization, mobile optimization. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit go to dashboard, and I want to change the settings for the next page that I have. So we have two pages basically right now. Okay, the other page is hire me. I want to come here, I'm gonna hit edit with Elementor, and now here you will see we want to go to the tablet mode. So let's see how is it looking on tablet. Tablet is fine, and the mobile is not fine. So when we want to go to style, we want to go to the size. So you can see that the mobile version is selected. I want to increase the size to be this. Save, and there we go. Our this page is also mobile optimized. So you can see that mobile optimization is very easy. First, you have to make sure that you focus on your website creation, and then when your website is done, you can move with the mobile optimization. So let's go ahead and let's hit go to dashboard. Now we're totally done. In the next video, we'll be working up with the pop-up thing, that how to disable pop-up on mobile devices and on tablet. No, not the tablet. So pop-up works good on tablet, but there should be no pop-up on mobile devices. So if someone clicks this, he should be taken to that page. And if someone clicks this on desktop, a pop-up should appear. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video, we'll move on with that. Goodbye.